mean, it can be a hassle, but they're your family, right?
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas. New York, beginning at 10:24 a.m. on November 2nd, 2027 and ending at 11:24 a.m. The New York State Police and the Erie County Sheriff's Office are looking for Sam A. Sam is a 10-year-old white male, last seen at an address in Buffalo, New York, wearing blue shorts and a black t-shirt with a planet Earth. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and is believed to be in the company of Tanner Martinez. Tanner Martinez is a 19-year-old male with green eyes, last seen wearing a shirt with the flag of Brazil. Suspect vehicle is a white 1995 Honda Accord with New York tags ADF 3859. Anyone with information regarding the whereabouts of the child are asked to call the Erie County Sheriff's Office, New York State Police, or dial 911.
I'd like to go if the offer still stands.
I knew you'd change your mind.
Yeah.
Bills. Call now for a free and instant protection plan quote. It's only a matter of time until repairs are needed, and once your car breaks down, it's too late.
Call 1-800-507-0732. That's 1-800-507-0732.
A civil authority has issued an administrative message for the following counties/areas. New York, beginning at 1:30 p.m. on November 3rd, 2027 and ending at 2:30 p.m. The Amber Alert issued for Sam Main on November 2nd has been cancelled. Repeating, the Amber Alert issued for Sam Main on November 2nd has been cancelled.
$50 per month. New, double the speed of our most popular plan for the same price. Go to getviasat.com or call